Big day in the warehouse.
Oh my gosh.
We have our first T100s.
Oh my god.
Jeez. Stiff clamps.
Oh. Clamps are nice, eh?
They've been really good.
Yeah.
Huge improvement.
Man, easy.
That's quality.
62-inch blades.
That is huge. Like, for reference,
Yeah.
I'm 6'4" and I've got a 6'4" wingspan.
Yo, turn that up, kid.
This is insane.
3 meters across. This motor's
These are huge as well.
Yep. There you go, guys. It's a monster.
Really excited about the LiDAR.
Yeah, it's a good addition. Real good addition.
Hopefully get it approved soon so we can get it tested in the field ASAP.
Yep.
This is really nice as well.
Yeah, fell through. It's a great
For the
addition.
factory. The boys will love that. And girls.
4 clamps to take the airframe off,
Yeah.
put it on your spreader,
Yeah.
or the double battery payload
Yeah.
setup, so you can winch 2 batteries. So easy to convert.
The dual induction for the air cool of the motors as well. Just looks cool.
You could do 1 square, but
They've done 2.
they've done 2.
Yeah.
It's not heavy stuff though.
That's right. What's the capacity of these?
It's 41,000 milliamps, so it's 11,000 more than these.
1,000 more than the standard. Yeah. That's pretty good. I'm going to chuck that in. Did you notice the size of the bigger terminal?
Yes. Just shot of that before we chuck it in.
13.7 millimeters wide. That is ridiculous.
It's insane.
Almost 14 mil contact. It's got a really nice handle on here, eh?
Yeah. Do you notice what it does?
No. Where's the
Pull
latch?
on it,
Oh,
and it unlatches.
Stop it. And you just pull it.
You just pull it
Oh,
out.
that is brilliant. That is great engineering.
That's
Yeah.
great.
A little bit bigger. Yep. Check out the comparison of the terminals.
Oh man, it's insane.
It's huge, eh? So you think the service area on those connectors versus those?
Yeah.
3 years ago, we were fizzing at 50 kg lift capacity.
Yeah.
And in 3 years, they've doubled it. We jumped from like 30 kg lift capacity to 50. That was crazy. And now
Yeah.
they've jumped from 50 to 100. They've doubled it in 3 years' time.
But in terms of like operator perspective, like boys on the ground, like this is kind of pushing it in terms of size.
Yep.
Like a 2-man job is kind of in New Zealand where it is at right now. for
Be
operating
interesting to
business.
see where this sits. Like saying it's got great features and
Yeah.
you know, yeah.
Yeah, it'd be good to find out where its niche is and work on that.
Totally. Compare controllers.
Yeah.
Oh, gone light grey. Very similar.
Yo, turn that up, kid.
Very similar.
So look at the top, yeah, they've shifted some of the plugs. Still got the same in the back, add your battery.
Nice. Really similar.
Yeah.
And then the micro SD and USB-Cs on the bottom feels that.
Yeah.
Sweet. The button layout's the same though.
Yep, identical. So once again, you're familiar with DJI.
Yeah.
Same old, same old.
Well, they don't
UI.
change much. Like the M350 RTK's got the same controller, so
That's it. Yep. What change? It's not broken?
no.
Perfect.